Hello and welcome to this how-to video from Blue Prism University. During this video, you'll learn how to set up a default encryption scheme in Blue Prism. Blue Prism provides the facility to encrypt sensitive data held within the database to ensure that it is only visible to authorized users. Certain data, such as credentials and resource screen capture, must always be encrypted. It will not be possible to create credentials or capture resource screenshots until a key is assigned to the default encryption scheme in Blue Prism. The encryption scheme can also be used to encrypt and decrypt work queue data if required. The following industry standard encryption methods are supported. Open Blue Prism and navigate to System, Security, Encryption Schemes. If required, multiple encryption schemes can be defined in a single environment. A summary of the existing encryption schemes is displayed, showing the name, encryption method, location of the key, and a status indicating whether or not the scheme is available for selection as the default encryption scheme. If the panel displays an encryption scheme called Default Encryption Scheme, then click on Edit from the scheme links in the top right-hand corner. If the panel has no entries, click on New. Set the encryption scheme name to Default Encryption Scheme. Then select the available checkbox to allow the scheme to be used as a data encryptor. Select the location where the encryption scheme can be stored. It can be stored locally in the database or in the Blue Prism configuration file of the application server. If stored in the database, the key can be used by any user with access to that database. If stored in the application server, the key is only available to users with the appropriate permissions. For this reason, it is strongly recommended that the encryption key is stored in the application server. The secret key for the scheme should be added to the server key store using the configuration utility for the application server. As I'm using Blue Prism Learning Edition in a standalone training environment here, I'm going to choose the database location and show you the additional options available. From the method drop-down list, choose the encryption scheme method as appropriate. If storing the encryption key on the application server, ensure the method chosen here matches the method in the key store. Click the Generate Key link. This will generate the relevant key and add it to the key field. Click Show Key to make the key visible. Click OK. The Security Encryption Scheme panel now shows your default encryption scheme with a status of available. Thank you for watching this video on setting up a default encryption scheme in Blue Prism. For further information on encryption schemes in Blue Prism, please visit our online documentation. If you want to learn more about any of the Blue Prism products, please visit the Blue Prism University via the link in the description below. Or visit the Blue Prism community to get support from other members and participate in various discussions. Again, there's a link in the description below.